In this recipe, we're going to start to do falafel. And this kind of falafel is a stuffed falafel. For the falafel, we need half falafel mix and then a cup of water. If you want to use the whole thing, you need to do more water. But this one, I use the water until it just becomes smooth. To stuff it, we need one large onion. So with the onion, I chop it. I use this little chopper. It has a thread to chop and 3 plates. I try to make the onions chopped almost fine chopping, like this. And this is the kind of sumac I use in this recipe for this stuffing. Now I'm going to saute the onion. To saute the onion, we need to add 1 teaspoon of sumac, then 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. You can add salt as much as you want. It depends how much salt. Usually I don't use much salt in my food. And this is oil, vegetable oil. It's mixed between olive oil and canola oil. You can use more oil if you need to. You look at the onion inside the frying pan, and in my situation, I needed a little bit more of oil. So you saute the onion with the sumac and oil until it becomes soft. So here I keep stirring it, and of course I use low heat, between low and medium heat. Then I start to make the falafel. I spray on the aluminum foil, and I use my hand to do the falafel. So now I'll show you more. So I make it flat. I put the mixture of the stuffing, which is the onion with sumac and vegetable oil in the middle. Then I close it. Then I put it aside, and I'm doing now another one just to show you. I put the stuffing inside, then I close it. And if I have a gap, I use some of the dough of the falafel. This is the falafel, what it looks like from inside. So this is the onion, sautéed onion with sumac. I'm going to open the second one just to show you. This is how it looks from inside. Bon appetit. You like my recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again. Bye for now.